going on, ladies and gentlemen? Agent from Mateo Guns, bring you guys a little short video. So I finally went ahead and got my my range pretty much updated, just like I stated that I would do, and it looks so much better now. I mean, so much better now. This is the newly upgraded range for your boy Adrian Mateo Guns. So I'm about to go ahead and pull out my Smith Wesson 22 compact long rifle. I haven't shot this one in a while. I'm gonna put some shots down the range. Let's go and take a look at it and see how it's gonna perform. All right, so I'm right here. I think I'm standing about 10 yards from here. Let me just go ahead and put some shots down the range because I've been dying to go ahead and do it. All right, going to cock loaded, ready to go. Safety off. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that sound. I love that plinker sound, baby. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Yeah. Now I don't have to worry about that cylinder. Only I can go ahead and transition from target to target, which is freaking amazing. That's exactly what I was looking for, and it actually came out to be pretty good. Thanks to my 3-year-old that was helping me and my friend from work. All right, let's see. All right, guys, my Smith & Wesson M&P 22 compact. I just wanted to come outside on my newly renovated personal range. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Good night, y'all.